Unboxing. Open the Atom package. Take out the product and accessories. App download and instructions. Please scan the QR code on the package. Download and install breathtaking Pro app. After starting the app, you can register/log into your account. Introduction to the flight interface. Pre-flight preparation. It's required to charge to activate the smart battery when used for the first time. And make sure the remote controller and smart battery are fully charged before flying. Take out the control sticks at the bottom of the remote controller and install them. Unfold the antenna of the remote controller. Select the corresponding adapter cable for your phone. The curved end is inserted into the phone. Pull open the remote controller and secure your phone in it. Connect the remote controller via the port at the bottom using the other end of the cable. Press and hold the power button to turn on the remote controller. Remove the gimbal protector. Unfold the drone arms and turn. Check if the SD card is installed. Insert the smart battery into the drone. Push firmly to ensure that the battery buckle is in place and battery secured. Short press then long press the power button to turn on the drone. Start breathtaking Pro app. Wait for the remote controller to connect with the drone. Once connected successfully, tap to enter the flight interface. Wait for the drone to search for GPS signals. After entering GPS mode, calibrate the compass according to the on-screen prompts. Tap Settings, then choose Calibrate. After entering the calibration state, place the drone about 1.5 meters above the ground. When the LED indicator of the drone flashes red and green, follow the on-screen prompts to rotate the drone horizontally. When the LED indicator of the drone flashes blue and green, follow the on-screen prompts to rotate the drone vertically, until the app prompts that the calibration is successful. Check the surroundings before flying the drone. Choose an open and unobstructed place to fly the drone, and set the return altitude. Make sure the return altitude is greater than the height of surrounding obstacles. After the setup is complete, you can start flying the drone. Please take off in GPS mode and pay attention to the return location. Takeoff and landing. Manual takeoff. On the example of left-hand throttle mode, push both sticks to the bottom inner corner. After the drone is unlocked, push the left control stick up. The drone takes off. Pull the left control stick down. The drone will land slowly and motors be locked. Automatic takeoff. Tap One Key Takeoff button on the left side of the app. Follow the on-screen prompts to swipe right. The drone will automatically take off and hover. After takeoff, tap one key landing button on the left. Follow the on-screen prompts to swipe left. The drone will automatically land and motors be locked. Flight operations. On the example of left-hand throttle mode, push the left control stick up and down to fly the drone up and down respectively. Push the left control stick left and right to turn the drone left and right respectively. Push the right control stick up and down to fly the drone back and forth respectively. Push the right control stick left and right to fly the drone left and right respectively. Turn the gimbal dial at the upper left corner of the remote controller to control the tilt angle of the gimbal. Take photos and videos. Tap the button at the upper right corner of the remote controller, or tap the photo button on the right side of the app to take pictures. Tap the button at the upper left corner of the remote controller, or tap the record button on the right side of the app to record videos. Tap again to stop recording. Tap album in the lower right corner to view or download pictures or videos. The downloaded video is a preview file, and you have to export HD videos from microSD card. Smart Return. Long press the return button on the right side of the remote controller, or tap one key return button on the left side of the app. Swipe right as prompted. The drone will automatically return home. During the RTH process, briefly press the return button of the remote controller, or tap the cancel button on the left side of the app. The return process will be terminated and the drone will hover in place. Drone RTH guides. Flight height greater than or equal to RTH height. The drone will keep the current altitude and fly straight back to the home point. Landing at home point. Flight height less than RTH height. The drone will ascend to the preset RTH height. About RTH height. When flight distance less than or equal to 20 meters, the default RTH height is 5 meters. When flight distance greater than 20 meters, the RTH height is the user's preset RTH height. Default RTH height is 30 meters.